Hey guys, Mr. T here. This is page 6 of your Year 9 Maths Practice Algebraic Expansion and Simplification test. This is to get you to practice some worded or more thoughtful questions, not just expanding and factorizing, expanding and simplifying using rules, like the exercises from your textbook or day map. Now you need to use it in more weirder or more realistic situations. So, you've got a playground, which has got a sandpit here. It's square, and then you've got a paved area sort of around two sides of that sandpit. The sandpit is square, and you know that the sides are A meters long. Because it's a square, all the sides are the same. Now, you know that a paved area goes 4 meters further than the sandpit, so lengthways, so we're saying that's length, this is width here. So you've got the sandpit, and then you've got 4 meters extra for the paved area, and then the paved area extends 2 meters beyond the sandpit widthway, so on the width direction is the sandpit, and then 2 meters down there. So devise an expression for the length of the whole playground. So if this is length, this is the length of the sandpit, and then it's 4 across. How long is the whole playground? So that whole distance, what's an expression for that whole length? Well, we know that part of that length is A, and then the remainder of the length is 4, so A plus 4 is the length of the playground. Similarly, devise an expression for the width of the whole playground, labeled W. So this here, well, we know part of that length is A, the rest of it is 2, so an expression for the width of it would be A plus 2 is the width of the playground. Now, if the area of a rectangle is length times by width, what's an expression for the area of the whole playground using what we got in A and B? So the area of a rectangle, and this is a rectangle, area is whatever the length is times by the width. Well, in A, we said the length was A plus 4, and in B, we said the width was A plus 2, and we times them together, and that's an expression. However, it says expand and simplify any brackets. We do have brackets here, so we need to use FOIL. Firsts, A times by A, plus outers A times by 2, plus inners 4 times by A, plus lasts 4 times by 2. A times A squared, A times 2, 2A, 4 times A, 4A, 4 times 2, 8, collect like terms, A squared plus 2A plus 4A, 6A plus 8. Using your answer to C, come up with an expression for just the area of the paving. Expand and simplify as needed. So the whole area is A squared plus 6A plus 8. Whole area, A squared plus 6A plus 8. Sandpit, what's the area of a square? It's the length times by the width. So the sandpit's area is A squared. What's the area of the paving going to be? Well, it's going to be the whole area, take away the sandpit. Paving area is going to be A squared plus 6A plus 8. Take the sandpit, which is A squared. You've got an A squared here, you're taking an A squared there, so all you've got left is 6A plus 8. It's an expression for the area of the paving. And I'll see you in the next video.